your MCQ. The Indian Contract Act 1872. Nature of contract. Let's start. First MCQ. Any agreement enforceable by law is A. Promise, B. Contract, C. Obligation, D. Lawful promise. The answer is option B. Any agreement the enforceable by the law is a contract. Second, a void agreement is one which is A. Valid but not enforceable, B. Enforceable at the option of the both the party, C. Enforceable at the option of the one party, D. Not enforceable in the court of the law. So a void agreement is the one which is not enforceable by in the court law. Any agreement is a void that will not enforceable by the court. Next, third, any agreement which enforceable by law at the option of one or more of the party thereon but not at the option of the other or other is A. Valid contract, B. Void contract, C. Voidable contract, D. Illegal contract. The answer is option C. Void contract. You have the know all types contract in deep knowledge. The any agreement is enforceable by law, but the party have the any option to this contract is void and continue in this contract. There will be voidable contract. Next, fourth, when the consent of the party is not free, the contract is A. Void, B. Voidable, C. Valid, D. Illegal. The answer is option B. Voidable. Next, fifth, in case of illegal agreement, is collateral agreement are A. Valid, B. Void, C. Voidable, D. None of this. The answer is the void. Any agreement of the illegal agreement, this will be void. Next, 6. Any offer may lapse by A. Revocation, B. Counter offer, C. Rejection of offer by offeree, D. All of this. The answer is all of this. Next, 7. A proposal when the expect become A. Promise, B. Contract, D. Offer, D. Acceptance. Answer is option A. A proposal when the expected become a promise. 8. If A say to B, I offer to sell my house to you for 10 lakh and B accept the offer by saying clearly, I accept your offer. It is an A. Implied offer, B. Express offer, C. General offer, D. None of the above. In this case, B. Directly expect and express ourselves. That will be the offer is express offer. Answer is option B. 9. A offer a reward of 10,000 for recovery for some valuable missing article. B. Who did not know of this offer and found the missing article. There will be find the missing article. Which one of the following is correct solution of this problem? The answer is option C, because as there is no acceptance, because any offer they due not of the knowledge about this reward. B is not entered to get the reward of 10,000. Next, 10. Arun has two cars, one of white color, another is red color. He offered to sell one of the car, Basu, thinking that he is selling of the car which has a white color, and Basu agreed to buy the car thinking the Arun is selling the car and which has a red color. Will be agreement become a valid contract? In this case, Basu say think this will be sale of white color car and Arun is selling the red color car. This agreement is a not valid. This will be answer is option B. No. Misrepresent in this contract. 11. A dress is displayed in the showroom with the price tag attached to the dress. A. Buyer interested in the dress and ready to pay price mentioned in the tag approach the shopkeeper for purchasing the dress. A. The shopkeeper can refuse to sell the dress as display of dress in just an invitation of to offer. The answer is option A. The shopkeeper can refuse to sell. Next, 12. A. Agree to pay 1,000 to B if certain ship the return within a year. However, the ship sink within the year. In this case, the contract becomes at the time to return the ship is sink within the year. But the answer of this question is a void because this ship is not returned at the time of 1 year. There is a sink means missing of this time. This agreement is a void. 13. A notice in the newspaper inviting tender is a proposal, B any invitation to proposal, A promise, D any invitation for negotiation. The answer is option B any invitation to proposal. 14. A telephonic expectancy to complete when the offer is A. Spoken into the telephone, B. Heard but not understood by the offerer, C. Heard and understood by the offerer, D. Is received, heard and understood by the some person in the offerer's house. The answer is option C. They will be heard and understood by the offerer. There is a completely telephonic communication. Next, 15. A and B agree to deal the slumber goods and share the profit. A refused to give B's share of the profit. In this case, A. B can enforce the agreement in the court. B. B can only claim damage. C. B has no remedy of the contract is illegal. D. B can enforce the contract and claim the damage. The answer is option C. B has no remedy as the contract is illegal. Next, 16. Which one of the following statement is a correct? A. Void agreements are always illegal. B. Illegal agreements are voidable. C. Illegal agreement can be ratified by the party. D. Illegal agreements are always void. The answer is option D. Illegal agreement. Any illegal agreement is always void. Next, 17. A voidable contract is one which A. can be enforceable at the option of aggrieved the party. B. Can be enforced at the option of the both the party. C. Cannot be enforced in the court of law. D. Court prohibit. The answer is option A. Avoidable contract is one of the which the party have the option to void and continue this contract. The answer is option A. Next. 18. When offer is made to define the person, it is known as A. General offer, B. Cross offer, C. Counter offer, D. Special offer. The answer is of D. Option D. Special offer. When there is a made the definitely define the person is any contact, this will be define this only person, this will be special offer. Next. 19. One of the face of ticket. It is a mention that to look for the term and condition. Look the behind. Mr. A bought the ticket but did not read the term and condition. He is A. Is not bound by the term and condition. B. May decide to bound a certain term and ignore other. C. Is bound by the all term condition whether he read it or not. D. None of the above. The answer is option C. Is bound by all term and condition whether he read or not, but there will be bound because in this mentioned behind the term or condition in this ticket. Thank you for watching. Please share your friends to help them and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.